Hello and namaste. It's me Yuvraj Neopane from Sri Adunik Rashtriya Secondary School, Hetauda. In today's class, we are going to learn about question tags. First of all, we'll have the theoretical concept about question tag, and then we'll move on to exploring more examples about question tag, and then we'll generalize the rules for the question tags. Yes, how we can make question tags based on the different types of sentences. Okay, first of all, let's see what question tag is. A question tag is a short clause that we add at the end of a declarative or an imperative sentence. It is mostly used in spoken language. Why do we make the use of question tag then? Yes, there are different purposes of making question tags or adding question tags to the sentence or statement that we make. The meaning may vary according to the tone or the way the speaker speaks it out. But the main purpose of using a question tag is to seek the confirmation or the acceptance of the listener towards something he or she is saying. In such case, the basic rule cannot be applied here. Let's see some examples for this. He failed the exam. Can you guess the question tag for this? Yes, didn't he? Let's see another example. Yes, this question tag is made for seeking the confirmation, right? Now let's say another example. He failed the exam. Did he? Did he? Look at the way I made a question tag for this. And what does this question tag mean? Yes, look, surprise. The general rule for making question tag is, when the statement is in affirmative form, the question tag is in negative form, right? And when the statement is in negative form, then the question tag is in affirmative form. But sometimes, the same rule cannot be applied in all the cases. There might be some cases that, the same rule cannot be applied. So is the case with this second sentence. He failed the exam. Did he? It means he is not believing in the case. It means the speaker may be expressing his surprise to the statement he made. Now let's see another example. Don't make a noise. Do you? Maybe sometimes we need to consider the situation when the statement is made. Here, this statement may be made in the classroom by the teacher. When the teacher is teaching, then he may have some disturbances from the students, and he may speak out this statement, and he can make the positive question tag for this, right? So this is another case, and in this case, the question tag the speaker made may be warning, right? The meaning of this question tag may be giving warning. Now let's see another. Don't make a noise. Will you? This statement has been made to make confirmation. Look at the variation in the question tag we have made. Now question tag, yes. Let's study some examples. Now we have some examples, and then first of all we will explore the examples. We'll see the way we make question tags, and then we will generalize the rules for making question tag. Let's see. Mr. Karki is a teacher, isn't he? Meena is washing her clothes. Isn't she? The boys are reading, aren't they? I'm not interested in games. Am I? She doesn't dance beautifully. Does she? They bought some vegetables. Didn't they? Yes. Now, in these examples, you might have noticed, okay, the verb used in the statement and the question tag we made. Now, what can we generalize from these examples? Yes, let's find out the rules, or let's generalize the rules from the examples we studied just before. Now, let's see first generalization that we can make out of this sentence. A sentence containing a tag question has two parts, a statement and a question tag. We separate them with a comma. When the statement is in affirmative form, the question tag will be in negative form. Yes, you can see, for this you can see the example number A, B and C, yes, in the above examples. Now let's see next one. When the statement is in negative form, the question tag will be in affirmative form. Yes, we have already discussed, and for this you can see the number, okay, sentence number D, E and F in the above examples. Now let's move on to next. Let's explore some more examples. My sister is playing with a doll. Can you guess the question tag for this? Yes, right? Isn't she? They have finished, they have invited us for the party. Let's see the question tag, haven't they? Now next one. She plays the marble very well. He plays the marble very well. Let's see its question tag, doesn't he? Number Ivy, birds fly in the sky. Don't they? We played cricket yesterday. Didn't we? Now, out of the examples we studied, let's find out the rules. What rules are applied in these examples? Yes, what generalizations can we make out of the examples we studied? Let's see the first. When the statement contains an auxiliary verb, we use the contracted form of the same verb in question tag. For this, you can just notice the examples. First example over there, my sister is. Let us see the example number I. In this example, you can see the use of auxiliary verb is, right? My sister is playing with a doll. You can see the auxiliary verb is, right? And let's see the question tag that we have made at the end of this statement is, isn't she? Yes, isn't she? We have. Next, second example we have, they have invited us for the party. Notice have. We have auxiliary verb have. Now we can make the question tag of this, haven't they? Yes, have. It is in affirmative form. Now we have made it negative, haven't, right? Have, haven't. Now let's see third. Number III, he plays the marble very well, doesn't he? Yes, now we don't have an auxiliary verb in this sentence, right? In place of auxiliary verb, we have main verb, right? So what can we do if there is a main verb in place of auxiliary verb? Or how can we make the question tag of the statement that contains a main verb? Let's see. When the statement contains a main verb but not an auxiliary verb, then we use a suitable form of do verbs. What can we do? We can make the suitable form of do verbs. Now you can see example number third, right? Just in the above example, let's see, he plays the marble very well, right? We have a main verb plays, and in place of this main verb we have used suitable auxiliary verb doesn't he. Yes, it is in verb 5 singular form, that's why we have used doesn't. Birds fly in the sky. Yes, look at number IV, we have main verb fly, right? Now we can make the question tag of this, don't they? Yes, the main verb is in verb 1 form, first form of verb we have, so we use don't in question tag. Now let us go to number 5 or number B. We played cricket yesterday. We played cricket yesterday. Now how can we make the question tag of this? Notice the verb, it is in past tense, right? Verb to form. So we use didn't in question tag. For the past tense we use didn't. Now let's see. Okay, we have some more examples over here. Let's study the examples and then we will find out the rules or generalize the rules. Let's see first sentence. Somebody is calling you. Can you guess the question tag for this? Okay, you're right. Aren't they? Next one. Someone has taken my book. Haven't they? Something is missing. Isn't it? Nothing is wrong. Is it? Now, from these examples, what can we generalize? What do we learn? Look at sentence number A. In first sentence, we have the vague pronouns. Somebody is calling you. The pronouns like somebody, someone, everybody, everyone, nobody, no one, yes, something, nothing, yes, these are the pronouns which are considered as the vague or indefinite pronouns. Then how can we make the question tag when the sentence contains such vague pronouns? Yes, you can notice in number A, yes, there is somebody is calling you. Now, how we have replaced somebody? Yes, we have replaced this somebody with pronoun they in question tag. They, you can notice there, yes, they in question tag, right? In the same way, number B, someone has taken my book. Haven't they? Yes, you can notice someone. In place of someone, we have used they in question tag. In the same way, number C, something is missing. Isn't it? Now thing. Yes, when there comes something, nothing, everything, then in place of these pronouns, we use it as the subject in the question tag. So you can see here, yes, if the statement contains vague or indefinite pronouns like somebody, someone, everybody, everyone, nobody, none as the subject, we use they as the subject in the question tag, right? These vague pronouns are replaced by they as the subject in the question tag. Similarly, something, nothing, everything is replaced by it. Yes, in place of something, nothing, everything, yes, we use pronoun it as the subject of the question tag. Did you get the idea? Right. Okay, now let us move on to next. Yes, we have some more examples over here. Let's see. Let's go swimming. Shall we? Let's not quarrel. Shall we? Let's go ahead. Will you? Sorry, let me go ahead. Will you? Let him not go out. Will you? Don't laugh at the beggar. Will you? Yes. Now let's see these examples once again. Yes, almost all the sentences, okay, except the last one, they begin with the word, okay, let's or let, right? let's or let. You can see the first sentence that begins with let's. Let's go swimming. Yes. How can we make the question tag of this sentence? Shall we? Yes. Now you might have noticed when the sentence begins with let's, right? Then we can make the question tag as shall we. Yes. Then let us see the third and fourth, the sentences that begin with only let, right? Let me go ahead. Will you? Let him not go out. Will you? Yes. The first and second and the third and fourth, yes, they have some differences. The first and second sentence begins with the word let's, and third and fourth sentences begin with let. So when the statement begins with the words let's, then you can make the question tag shall we. Yes. In the same way, when the sentence begins with the word let, then the question tag will be will you. Yes. Then when there is a request, yes, an imperative sentence meaning request, you can also make the question tag will you. Yes. Don't laugh at the beggar. Will you? Please help me. Will you? Yes. So we can make the question tag of the sentences that begin with let's, let, or any imperative that may be an order or a request. You can make as in the examples. Now what can we note from these examples? Yes, as I already said, the same thing you can note down. When a sentence begins with let's, we use shall we in its question tag, no matter whether an affirmative or negative. Yes. Yes. Now let's see the next point. An imperative sentence that may be an order or request beginning with let, or any other verb has a question tag will you. Yes, we have already discussed in the above examples. You can notice the same thing in the examples above.